Jackie was extra hungry, so he bought 2.
When someone would come in and say, you know, you're a miracle, you must really have something left to do on this earth, I would point at a picture of Carly and say, that's the reason that I need to be here.
Carly just had her 4th birthday. By the slimmest of margins and through the new use of an old technology by UAB doctors, Mom Allison Morgan was able to be at her birthday party.
I was released from the hospital on November 20th. She turned 4 on November 21st, and we had a birthday party for her on November 23rd. So it was a really, really happy homecoming for me.
Let's back up. In October of 2013, Allison and husband Craig borrowed an RV. They joined friends at the NASCAR race in Talladega, Alabama.
Got there sometime early in the afternoon and just hung out with everybody. We cooked supper and had a shrimp boil that night, and then got ready and went to bed. And that's the last thing I remember until I woke up at UAB 10 days later.
During the night, carbon monoxide, most likely from a faulty generator, built up in the RV. When friends found them in the morning, Craig was dead. Allison, clinging to life, was airlifted to UAB.
I was within hours of death when they brought me in. All my organs were failing, lungs, heart, kidneys, everything. And they had to make some pretty drastic decisions in that first 24 hours to determine whether I would live or die.
The most drastic decision was to put Allison on ECMO, extracorporeal membrane oxygenation. Developed for heart-lung bypass surgery, ECMO routes a patient's blood into the machine, removing carbon dioxide and adding oxygen before pumping the blood back into the body.
Dr. Diaz said at the time they made the decision to put me on ECMO, I probably had 2 hours to live.
She certainly was going to die that night. And I think the ECMO technology, the support through ECMO saved her life.
How's that breathing?
It's good.
Allison was on ECMO for a week, allowing her heart and lungs to rest, to recover. And recover she did.
My heart and lung function is almost back to normal. My kidneys are normal.
So I think she had a full functional recovery without any significant damage.
Home after a month in the hospital, the healing continues.
It's bittersweet, you know. There's a lot of mourning, you know, over my husband, where everybody's, you know, that's a loss I'm still dealing with. But there's also so much to be thankful for as far as my recovery goes.
Allison took thank you notes to the UAB staff who cared for her, along with a photo of herself and Carly.
My message to them was, you helped make this possible, because the picture was from her birthday party, and you know that they helped make it possible that I could get home for her birthday and hopefully many more birthdays to come.